Welcome to Knowledge Essential. Today I'll show you how to install and set up ESPN Plus on your Firestick. ESPN Plus is a great choice if you are looking for live sports, including NFL, NBA, and exclusive content like UFC and college sports. You also get access to on-demand games, highlights, and ESPN originals like sports documentaries. Let's start with the setup. First, navigate to your Firestick home. Then go to the search bar and type in ESPN. Select the official app from the list and click Get to install in your device. Once it's installed, open the app and all you need is ESPN Plus login credentials to access all the content. Remember, ESPN Plus requires a subscription, but you can also bundle it with Disney Plus and Hulu for extra content. Remember, ESPN Plus requires a subscription, but you can also bundle it with Disney Plus and Hulu for extra content. Now you are all set to stream sports directly on your Fire Stick with ESPN Plus. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more easy guides like this.